हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू। 4 दिन से मैं सोच रहा था ये मस्क मेलन खरीद के लेके आएंगे, खाएंगे इसको। उसमें खाने में हमको बहुत शांति मिलता है, लेकिन क्या है, टाइम नहीं मिला तो खाना तो छोड़ दिया। इसको ऐसे किचन का टेबल पे उसको रख दिए। अभी देखो इसके अंदर में एक तो पक्का हुआ था। मैं सोचा तो पक्का खाने में और ज़्यादा मज़ा है, उसमें शुगर कंटेंट आएगा तो अच्छी बात है। लेकिन इसको कौन खा लिया देखो। पहले तो थोड़ा चूहा खा लिया, चलो चूहा हमने घर में रखा, वो खा लिया, वो तो सही बात है, वो भी ट्राई किया। इसके बाद ये फंगस अटैक हो गया। सी हाउ मच माइसेलिया यू कैन सी, देयर आर सो मच माइसेलिया, फंगल माइसेलियम। तो फंगस आ गया इसके अंदर में। तो फंगस का तो आप देख सकते हो, इसको माइसेलिया मैट फॉर्मेशन हो गया। अभी ये मल्टीप्लाई होएगा, मल्टीप्लाई होके इसको डिकम्पोज करेगा। सिमिलर वे कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का, लिविंग बॉडी का यही होता है। आप जला दो, उसको रख दो, सड़ जाएगा, बॉडी डिकम्पोज हो जाता है। मिसर में भी ऐसा है, बॉडी को रखने के लिए वो लोग प्रिजर्वेटिव यूज़ करता है। हम वही बात कर रहे हैं, कोरोना में आप बॉडी क्यों नहीं देते हो। बॉडी 4 दिन के बाद कोरोना नहीं रहेगा, जिसका पापा मम्मी है उसको दे दो, अपन बटन पे छोड़ दो। सरकार को क्यों तकलीफ उठाना है, खाली फ्रीज करना है। तो किसी का इमोशन का चीज़, जैसे ये मेरा मास्क मेलन है, इतना इमोशन है, पैसा दे के खरीदा है, तो सेम वे इसके ऊपर हमारा इमोशन है। मैं इसको एनालिसिस कर रहा हूँ। पापा मम्मी बच्चों का ज़िंदगी भर उसको बड़े करते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं। अभी कोरोना में डेथ हो गया तो आप क्या करोगे। सरकार बोलेगा ये बॉडी मेरा है, हमको दे दो, हम जलाएंगे। तुमको फ्रीजिंग का पैसा नहीं है तो बताओ ना, पब्लिक देगा, जिसका पापा मम्मी है देगा, उसको फैमिली मेंबर्स देगा। सरकार इस बात का कौन सा गारंटी रखता है, उसको जलाएगा, क्या करेगा। आप प्रोफेशनली ये सब चीज़ मत करिए। ये स्टेट का प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, मैं पहली बार बता रहा हूँ, अभी भी बता रहा हूँ। ये मैसेज अगर कोई देश का, इंडिया में कोई देख रहा है, इसको बार बार सोचने का बता रहा हूँ। ये चीज़ अगर खुद का घर में आ जाएगा तब आप कैसे सोचोगे। ये बात को थोड़ा सा समझने का कोशिश करो, मजाक पे चीज़ को मत लीजिएगा। मैं अभी भी बता रहा हूँ, कोविड पॉलिसी चेंज करना है। कोविड पॉलिसी चेंज करके उसमें हर एक कोविड हॉस्पिटल में फ्रीजिंग सिस्टम रखने का ज़रूरत है, -20 का। नहीं है तो सरकार से अलग से फंड इकट्ठा करके उसमें रखने का ज़रूरत है। दिस इज़ व्हाट नीड ऑफ द आवर। You need to keep the freezing system to hand over those bodies, whoever wants voluntarily those bodies. You charge whatever money you want to charge, but government has got no right whatsoever reason to take those bodies out and take it to burning heart. They are doing the crime. I can say simply crime on humanity. So my message is very simple. Whoever is listening, whoever the policy maker, they must act on these things like this mask melon. Now the question remain unanswered, if natural process has to be followed. Now coming back to this mask melon, whether to eat it or not, I really do not know. If I give wish those fungus bacteria to decompose this organic body, what's wrong in it? This, you need to see the mask melon also in one way, the wisdom of mask melon to die and decompose. So we are eating because you have paid money, means you have a lot of love or what? So that is another $3 million question probably one need to introspect. So we keep everything, or we keep on analyzing everything, keeping your interest in mind. I have been talking about a dialectical thought process. This thought process, if you analyze everything little rationally, reverse way, probably you will have answer. See, so much fungus over here. Now, I don't think my money is waste. I am keeping this marshmallow soul rest in peace. I am allowing all those fungus and bacteria, they are going to eat this marshmallow. I want to see how much decomposition is taking place all around the body. That is the most important part. आपन बतन पे छोड़ देना, जैसे आपको बोलते हैं ना, इसका लाइफ है, ये मैच्योर हो चुका है, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, इसको पता है। फंगस का विजडम है, उसको भी जीने का अधिकार है। हमने फंगस से बहुत कुछ कर लेते हैं, एंटीबायोटिक प्रोडक्शन भी कर लेता है अपना विजडम से, ह्यूमन का नीड के बजाय से। आई वांट टू सी वेदर द अदर फंगस आर ग्रोइंग और नॉट, सम antibiotic zone, probably inhibition zone, what you call it. I want to see that, so I'm keeping it. I am not eating this muskmelon, so I am allowing things to happen in nature. All airborne microorganism, whatever things are coming, these are not artificial things, these are all natural fungus, natural bacteria, those are coming. So coronavirus is totally a different subject altogether. It has to be tackled in a different way. So all the intellectual doctors who are talking about how to protect corona, they should go back, understand the origin of corona COVID-19 virus. So until or unless you analyze the origin of COVID-19 virus, or if you have any fear, in science, you should not have any fear. You should be bold enough to speak. Otherwise, this science will be going under dark age. So, if you do not want to science get into the dark age, please use your wisdom and knowledge and understanding for that matter. You little bit 10 standard, 12 standard biology or biotechnology, whatever you say it. Friends, I am just finishing my talk. I talked for 7 minutes 34 seconds. So I wish this marshmallow will die its natural death. Okay, nature is going to take care everything. So this theory of evolution is exactly perfectly working. We are here. So now I have given good economic theory. Probably one can correlate. I have proposed two theories, make a sustainable model, so one can understand how this theory would be. So you need a rational thought. You don't need economics Nobel Prize winner to decide what would be the economic distribution. They don't know anything about economics. I have told you 100 times. They do not have the wisdom. Even they have wisdom, when they write, they keep their one wisdom, 60% wisdom closed. So they use 40%. It is very much clear why they do so. So friends, I am finishing. I am not talking much on this thing. You don't need an economic science to understand what should be the society and how the economic theory is going to work. So you use your wisdom, all those Nobel laureates. Your matter and rational thought process will be much more clearer. You will be more wise. People will be respecting you much better way. Otherwise, people like you, rest of your life is going to criticize you for your 150 books, whatever junk you have written for 100 years. This has nothing to do with the society. This is only to satisfy all your intellectualism, or like your J. Paul laboratory and all those things, Probati lab. So you are not using your wisdom. You are running all those labs, J. Paul laboratory, from giving the marketing executive, salesperson to pull money from the corporate house to run the Probati lab. This is the height of hypocrisy in the 21st century. You are getting Nobel Prize in the name of Probati elevation lab and those kind of sponsored money from the big corporate house. You should be ashamed of whatever you are doing for this country, for this Mother Earth. You don't know what danger thing you are creating. This is all for the Nobel laureates, so-called qualified Nobel laureate, intellectually arrogant Nobel laureates. So I want to say for them, you read natural science. Probably you have not read the science, that's why that is the real problem. Any science student can understand. Is arts is not going to, it is philosophical, all those things, but science is going to give you more rational thought process and clarity of thoughts. You can understand all those things. As I have told you, economic science, all those science are not science at all. It is all messed up science. You read good science, natural science, physics, chemistry, astrophysics, all those things, dialectical thought process. So your matter will be clear. Chaos theory, so that you correlate chaos theory with astrophysics, then matter will be much more clearer to you. Those Nobel laureates, I have a lot of advice. You have only age, you have gained through rest of your life with your age, writing few things with hours. Forget about all those hours. Those hours are not going to help the society. It is going to help your intellectualism, that's all. So I always believe one thing. Buddha has not got any kind of award from the society. So go back and read Buddha. Matter will be much more clear. Let this fungus enjoy. Let those bacteria spot, you can see, enjoy to decay the whole muskmelon. So it's not my money. When you put your money, you feel it's your property. It's not my property. It's a nature's property. It's a mother earth property. You need to see in that dimension. You might be putting your money, but that money is irrelevant here. So I don't want to more extend this topic. Probably I want to keep in rest for you to decide to use your wisdom. Thank you very much.